Hey guys, so today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing, and if you guys can tell, it's been dented quite a bit. I'm not sure if everything inside's okay or not. I really hope so. Also, I am using a new camera, so if you guys think that this camera is better, let me know in the comments below. I think it's a better camera. I'm not exactly sure. I might be able to see a little bit more. Might be clearer. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. If you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me and us. And if you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. To the year 2040, to the year 2040. Of course I said that I love you, but I never said it and meant it till the day that I met you, cause my head. Let's just jump right into this month's Boxycharm. So obviously it is February, and this is, it's called Afterglow, and of course it's got all the things on the back, but we're just gonna place that aside for now. This, yep. This is what's in my box for this month. So let's just start off with what I dropped out of this box. This is called a nudestix, I think it's called. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick that up. It says nudestix on it. It's called a magnetic luscious eye crayon, and this is in copper foil, I think it's called. So that's what it looks like there. And then I'll just do a swatch up for you. Oh, okay, so let's just, there we go. Made in Ontario, Canada. And that is definitely a copper color, so that's interesting. Let's see if it's, oh, it's actually, it's coming off on my finger a tiny bit, but it actually stayed pretty good. So this is a $24. Ooh. Alrighty, so let's just dive right into what's next. Let's just grab this. So this is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This retails for $24. I'm not going to open this because I'm actually have already said that I was going to sell it to a friend of mine. I do not like this mascara at all. Then there's going to open this foam here, and woo-wee. So I'm super excited for this. I was really happy to find out that we were getting some more Pretty Vulgar stuff. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan. Oops, I just opened it. That's what it looks like there. That's what it looks like. Swatch it. Oh, it's nice and smooth. Okay, so that is what it looks like on the skin. Ooh, that will look really nice with my skin tone. It just blends in really nicely, but then when the light catches it, it looks great. I'm really excited for that. So the Pretty Vulgar highlighter sells for $32, so that's not bad. This is, I think, the third Pretty Vulgar item I have received in a Boxycharm, and I actually really like their stuff. Then let's just jump into this. So I got variation 2, which is the one that has this one here, and this is the, I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, so it's this, and this one is in Cocoa Cabana cream, and this is exciting. I got the Bum Bum cream from this brand. Oh, this smells so good. I have heard some reviews on how people did not like the smell, but I do. Oh, it smells good. It kind of smells like a cross between, I don't know, sunscreen and something else. I'm not too sure what it smells like, but it is really good. And this has got 75 mils in it. I'm gonna rub this in. So I do know this is a body cream, so this is one of those things where it's supposed to be really like heavy duty. Really nice. I really enjoy that one. And so the cream is, so this retails for $20, which is pretty decent. So then there's one last thing in my February Boxycharm, and this is the No Problem Primer. And this is for smoothing and pore covering. So it's looks like, so that's it there. That is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna have to do it on this hand. So I'm just going to, there we go. Okay, so let's just see what now all I can smell is the hand cream. Let's see if it blends out really nicely. Oh yeah. The difference between my hands. You can see how smooth this one look. I really like this. I think that'll be really nice on the skin. I've seen a lot of people actually use this on their YouTube channels, and a lot of other influencers use this, and this is from the brand Touch of Soul, if I didn't say that, sorry. This is very, very smooth. I'm really excited to try this. I am always on the lookout for a great primer, so I'm excited to try that. Touch of Soul primer retails for $18, so that's not bad. So everything in my Afterglow February Boxycharm was $118 altogether. I think my math is correct, and it should be. Obviously, I don't have my phone right now, so that was everything in this month's February Boxycharm. If you guys want to see a review on me using any of those products except for the mascara, leave me a comment in the comments below and I'll get a video out for you guys. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!